All right, next conversation. This is actually going to be very much a conversation, okay? But I think this concept really helped me understand that I was lacking some skills, and those skills were causing me not to be profitable, okay? Or at least making it very hard to be profitable, all right? So here you go. I want to talk about the difference between an analyst versus a trader, okay? There are great technical analysts out there. There's a lot of like discords that are filled with them, right? They're able to put out all of this like technical analysis and like mark their charts, and like everything looks so good. They're just really good at finding fair value gaps, liquidity pools. They're good at reading PTO charts, and like CVD, and like all this stuff, and like indicators, and they're like technical masters, okay? And not all, but you take some of those people, you put them in front of an actual chart, and you say trade. Okay, they fail. All right. I'm not saying all of them. All right. I know some people who are very, very, very good technical analysts, and they're good traders as well. All right. I'm just saying, like, what I don't want is for one of us, me, you, to step in front of a chart and to not have exercised one of those two skills that are both needed to be successful. Okay. And like I said, one of them is technical analysis. All right. That technical analysis is so needed. You need to get out the books. You need to go through the videos. Okay. If you get to something in one of my videos and you're like, dang, what does that mean? Ask us in the Discord for one. Two, look it up and find some videos on it. Three, maybe even practice it a little bit, right? Like if you're trying to trade like a unicorn setup or fair value gaps, or if you're looking for like how to trade a 730 open, right? All that kind of stuff. You know, watch the video more than once. Take physical notes. Okay, review it with a friend. Definitely review it in our Discord and talk about it a little bit. Digest it. Maybe go paper trade it just to kind of like get an idea and let it sink in, because that technical analysis is so needed. Okay, all right. There's that soapbox. Soapbox number two, the second soapbox. All right. This one to me is almost more important. Okay. I would rather you be a mediocre technical analyst and be an awesome trader. Okay. Sometimes I'm like, a good analyst, and I'm an okay trader. All right. But I recognize where I could be a better trader. All right. So, what makes a good trader? Okay, a good trader is someone who can actually sit in front of the chart and execute the trades the right way. Someone who doesn't get eaten up by FOMO. Okay, someone who can manage a trade without moving the stop loss to some random spot to get stopped out early. Okay, because one, they had the technical analysis to figure out where to put that trailing stop loss, right? And they had the self control to not look at the P&L and go, that profit's mine, okay? Because until the trade's closed, ain't nothing yours, okay? That's just the way I look at it, all right? Um, so analyst versus trader, okay? I want everybody, and this is me looking in a mirror, to focus on being a better trader. Okay, a better trader is someone who can sit in front of the chart and not trade until their actual trade plan that they spent most likely months building, right? They're going to wait for that plan. They're not going to jump into a trade. Guys, I'd still jump into trades sometimes. I will not sit here and tell you, man, I am perfect, man. You want to be a trader like me. Actually, I want you to be better than me. Okay. And I've taught some people who have had some better streaks than me. Okay. So I think that's why I have such a passion for teaching this, is because I know what it's like to be a struggling trader, even though you're a master analyst. Okay. So I want you to focus on the mental game of trading. Okay. I don't mean to steal Homeboy's uh, title from his book, Jared Tendler, but the mental game of trading. Okay. We need to learn to be poker sharks at the casino, and we need to learn to be shrewd and to be like, I just got dealt a doo-doo hand. I'm out. I fold. Why you fold? Why don't you play this hand through? Because it's garbage, right? Maybe I'm looking at a setup. I'm like, it's like a C minus setup, but maybe. What if the market drops? Dude, if it pumps from here, I'd be in early and I'll like have this 1 to 10 R&R. Let me give it a shot. Man, I'm telling you, don't do stuff like that. Let it go. Who cares? Okay? Seriously, start looking at it that way, because the likelihood and the probability of you closing that trade at a 10R is ridiculous. It's so, the odds are so against you. You might as well just go chill at the casino and like sit down with real poker sharks and play against them. All right. Because when we step up to the market, that's what we're doing. We're stepping into the arena and we're sitting at the table with the best traders, technical analysts, and people with actual money, smart money. We're stepping into their world at their table and we're going to play with them. You need to have the mental game right. Okay. And like I said, I am talking in a mirror right now. Okay. But I know the difference because I have had my streaks of just being mentally sharp and being mentally like head in the game, and I have felt those profits, and I even felt to the point of being like kind of getting like over cocky and being like, dude, I got this, bro. This trade won't lose because I'm taking it. Now, I didn't quite say that to myself, but when you break down why I entered the trade and I talk about the feelings I had, it was because I was on a win streak and a hot streak, and you know I could just Steph Curry it from half court, no problem. Okay. In all reality, I should have followed my technical analysis skills, been a better trader, and stepped all the way up to that 3 point line, worked the players on the court so I can have the opportunity to take a nice, clear, open shot. Okay. There is no time clock here. Okay. I'm not trying to make a winning shot that's going to end the series and like, win everything right there and I'm going to be a hero. Okay. Trading's not like that. There's always tomorrow. Okay. I don't think the markets will ever be closed because smart money makes way too much money doing it. And that's where we want to get, right? Where we're making money.